Sdang keluar ki minister haying dorbar hakmat uba arden. Namar ki jingkli bat ki jingtbit jung u ban kren ya bun ki mat dak ka jingstad bat ka jingket kle. Wadla tang saungut ki pra ki don haying dorbar na kin rup hungut Henry. Ka sorkar kelas dang ban pay skor bat keno yu pra ba om day tang mapi ba i Jaitbynriew.
Loving your own people, respecting your own people, and having patriotism for your people, there is nothing wrong in it, sir. We are all patriotic. We all love our mother tongue. We all love our people. We all love our tribes.
Wanra da upra hamau kurwat ngi angnod ya upra. Haka election MDC kebanwan daki spa lane daki hajar kibreu hamau kurwat hapo social media kila penpau bakidon kam ya upra. Kaseng kabadang kuidang suba kinong yalam ki batremp ha. Sa pule hi mapi katto katne ki komen jong ki breu hopo social media ba ke ba ki breu menta ki kwa bat ki angnot ha kane kathai.
Regional committees headed by cabinet ministers have been formed for resolving the remaining 6 areas of difference.
So the reply that we used to get in this August house and what is happening on the ground seems to not support each other, sir. So I'm raising this question because till today, there is a constant fear in the mind of the people living in the border areas. So may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, what actually is the reason that these people living in the border areas are still under constant fear? I don't know, maybe it is the soft approach and gentleman approach of the government of Meghalaya that has emboldened the counterparts even to outrightly claim Mukro inside the Assam Assembly. So may I know what actually is the reason, sir?
Came to a memorandum of understanding in terms of the first 6 areas of differences, and we are working towards ensuring that as we move forward, we are able to resolve the other 6 areas of differences. So
this is a must, sir. Whether we settle the border, whether it takes time or we can settle the border now, but at least the safety and security of the people should not be compromised under any circumstances. So reports keep coming, sir, even today, that the people living in the border areas, they are really frightening when they see that these government officials keep coming to the interior part of Meghalaya.
Your second supplementary
Yeah,
question.
I will come to that. So therefore, may I know what is the exact step that the government has taken to ensure that the government of Meghalaya will not compromise as far as the security and safety of the people is concerned. We don't want another incidence of firing of death occurred in the border areas. That is my question, sir.
Sir, again, as I said, the concerns of the honorable member are definitely genuine. And as we have moved forward, so that this, as I mentioned, at different levels and different times in the past 50 years, tensions have built up during different occasions. But in order to ensure that we are able to